In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with a project sheet in Smartsheet using the Gantt view and dependencies. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and then open your project sheet. This is the sheet where all your tasks, dates, and owners are already listed. Once the sheet loads, by default, you might be in the grid view, which looks like a standard spreadsheet with rows and columns. To switch into a more visual planning mode, look towards the top of the screen for the view options and click on Gantt. This changes your layout so you still see your task list on the left, but now on the right, you'll see a timeline with horizontal bars representing each task. This Gantt chart makes it much easier to understand how your project is scheduled over days, weeks, or months. Now, in Gantt view, Smartsheet will often show small icons, menus, or buttons that are highlighted in tutorials. Go ahead and click on the first highlighted area in your interface. This is usually near the right side of the toolbar or along the top of the Gantt chart and will open up additional options related to your timeline or project settings. Next, click on the second highlighted area you see. These highlights are there to guide you through enabling the features we need. As you click through them, you may notice panels or dialogues appearing on the right side or in the center of your screen. Keep following the highlighted prompts, clicking on each one as it appears, until you reach the Project Settings or Gantt Settings panel. When that Settings panel is open, look for the section related to dependencies. Dependencies control how tasks are linked together, so that when one task moves, related tasks can automatically adjust. In the panel, click on the option labeled Dependencies. This tells Smartsheet that you want to turn on dependency tracking for this sheet, allowing you to create relationships like finish to start between tasks. After you've selected dependencies, confirm your choice by clicking OK in the dialog box. This saves your settings and applies them to the current project sheet. You'll know it's enabled when you can start linking tasks directly on the Gantt chart or by using the predecessors column. Finally, click on the remaining highlighted areas shown in your interface. These may close the settings panel or bring your focus back to the main Gantt chart. Once you've done that, your project sheet is now in Gantt view with dependencies enabled, and you're ready to start building a dynamic, visually clear project timeline.